Hello primary 1. After we studied the family of numbers and family of 10 last time, today we will have mental strategies to decompose number and to easier the questions. Let's see here, like the example, here I have 6 plus 6 equals what? I will decompose numbers to make it easier and reach the results. Here I will drop the first number as it is, and I have two places for 6, so I will decompose 6 into two parts, and I have two main mental strategies for decomposing numbers. The first one using the family of 10. So here I will decompose 6 into two parts. One part of them will make me 10 with 6. So here I said that the neighbor of 6 is 4, and if I count after 6 to reach 10, after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So they are 4. So 6 plus 4 makes me 10. So 4 is the first part of 6. If I get 6 on my fingers and I take away the first part of it, which is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, the remainder is 2. So the second part of 6 is 2. And if you count after 4 to reach 6, after 4, 5, 6. So they are 2. Here I decomposed the 6 into two parts, 4 and 2. One part of them makes me 10 with 6 or with the first number. So here I will make it easier again. 6 plus 4 equals what? We said it equals 10. And 10 plus what? And I will drop the second part. If we hide this, we will put 10 instead of this bracket and put 2 here. And 10 plus 2 equals what? For sure, which is bigger? 10 is bigger. Put 10 in my mind. Put 2 on my fingers. After 10, 11, 12. So the answer is 12 here. And here we said that 6 plus 4 plus 2, it's 10 plus 2 equals 12. Let's see up. 6 plus 6 equals what? Put 6 in my mind. Put 6 on my finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the answer is 12 like this. So I made it easier to solve it using decomposing number, and we used the first strategy of using a family of 10. In this example, I have 5 plus 8 equal what? I will make it easier using decomposing numbers and using the first strategy, which is family of 10. So here I will put the first number like it is 5, and I have two places for 8, and I have to decompose 8 into two parts. One part of them will make me 10 with number 5. So this bracket will give me 10 here. 5 plus what equals 10? If you count after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So they are 5. I have to add 5 here, and we said that the neighbor of 5 is 5 to give me 10. And 5, this 5 is the first part of 8. If you show 8 on your finger and you take away 5, you will get 3. And if you count after 5 to reach 8, after 5, 6, 7, 8. So the second part of 8 is 3. Here I have 5 plus 5 plus 3. And we said that 5 plus 5 together gives me 10. And I will drop the second part of the equation. So I have 10 plus 3 equals what? It's so easy to make it. 10 plus 3, put 10 in my mind, put 3 on my finger. After 10, 11, 12, 13. So the answer here is 13. To make sure of the first one, 5 plus 8 equals what? 8 is bigger. Put 8 in my mind, put 5 on my finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the answer is right. It's 13. We used this way to make it easier to solve the problem, and we used the family of 10. Let's see the next one. Here I have 3 plus 11. Here I will make it easier. I will decompose or break the number of 11 into two parts. So I will drop the first one like this, and I will decompose 11 into two parts. One part of them should make me 10 with 3. So the neighbor of 3, as we said, is number 7. Because if you count after 3 to reach 10, after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have to add 7 to 3 to reach 10. And these brackets together give me 10. Okay? And 7 is a part of 11. So the second part would be, if you count after 7 to reach 11, after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have to add 4 to 7 to reach 11. The second part is 4. So this will give me 10 together plus what? Plus 4. I will put it here. And it's so easy to solve it now. 10 plus 4 equals what? For sure it equals 14. If you make it mentally, you will find that 10 plus 4 equals 14, right? And it shows that the answer up is 14 also. Let's make sure which is bigger. 11 is bigger. Put 11 in my mind, put 3 on my finger. After 11, 12, 13, 14, so it's right. If you see page 70 in your booklet, you will find the first exercise. 15 minus 5 equals what? Before we said that once I see the minus sign, I count after the baby number to reach the mommy number. Close your hand and count after 5 to reach 15. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the answer here is 10. And 13 minus 3 equals what? We said that if we made it mentally, it would be so easy. If I find a two-digit number minus one-digit number and they have the same ones, I may cancel them together and the answer is 10. If you take away 3 from 13, so you will get 10. If you take 2 from 12, the answer is 10. So if I have here two-digit number minus one-digit number and they have the same ones, you may cancel them together and put 0 beside 1. So 12 minus 2 equals what? It's so easy, make it mentally, it equals 10 for sure. 17 minus 7 equals what? Equals 10. And 14 minus 4 equal what? They have the same ones, I may cancel them together and the answer is 10. And 16 minus 6 equal what? If we take away 6 from 16, we will have 10. In page 70, we will see here, like the example, I have here 15 minus 9. To make it easier, I will decompose the number. Here, I will drop the first number like this, and I have 2 spaces for 9, so I will decompose 9 into 2 parts, and one part of them should make me 10 with 15. So 15 minus what gave me 10. As we said before, if we make it mentally, I will choose one-digit number which have the same ones. So 15 minus 5, as we said, equals 10. 15 minus 5, here it makes me 10. So the first part of 9 is 5. I have to put the second part here. If you count after 5 to reach 9, close your hand. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So they are 4. I should write 4 here. 15 minus 5 minus 4. And these together gives me 10. And I have to put the second part, which is 4 here. 10 minus 4. Now it's so easy to solve. You have to count after 4 to reach 10. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the answer is 6. And it shows that here they are the same. So The answer here is 6. To make sure, here I have 15 minus 9 equals what? If you close your hand and count after the baby number to reach the mommy, after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the answer is 6. Next one, here I have 12 minus 5 equals what? To make it easier, I have to decompose numbers into two parts. So I will drop the first number, 12, like it is, and I will break or decompose 5 into two parts. One part of them should make me 10 with 12, but there is minus. So I will think about number which have the same ones of 12. So 12 minus what give me 10? Minus 2, like we said here. So this part together gives me this 10. And 2 is a part of 5. I have to put the second part here. I will close my hand and count after 2 to reach 5. After 2, 3, 4, 5. So the second part is 3. I will write it here. 10 minus what? Minus 3. 10 minus 3, now it's so easy. 10 minus 3, close your hand and count after the baby to reach the mommy. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So they are 7. I write 7 here. So the answer here, 12 minus 5 is 7. It's the same like here, so it's right. In page 71, you will see the first example, 17 minus 8 equals what? To make it easier, I will use decomposing numbers and our mental strategies. So here I will drop the first number like it is, 17, and I will break 8 into two parts. One part of them should give me 10 to make it easier. So 17 minus what? Equals 10. I will use one number which have the same ones. So 17 minus 7 equals 10. I write 10 here. 7 is the first part of 8. To get the second part, I will count after 7 to reach 8. After 7, 8. So the second part is 1. Here I have 17 minus 7, and we said that it will give me 10. 10 minus what? I will drop it here, the second part, 10 minus 1. Now it is so easy to solve. 10 minus 1, you will count after 1 to reach 10, so they are 9. So the result up is expected to be 9 also because they are all the same. Let's make sure now. 17 minus 8, close your hand and count after 8 to reach 17. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So the answer is 9, right? It's right. Let's see the last one. Here I have 14 minus 6. To make it easier or to solve it with easier way, we will use decomposing. I will drop 14 like this and break 6 into two parts, and one part of them should give me 10 with 14. 14 minus what will give me 10 for sure? 14 minus 4. And 4, it is the first part of 6. Close your hand to get the second part. Close your hand and count after 4 to reach 6. After 4, 5, 6. So they are 2. The second part is 2. Here I have 14 minus 4. We said that it equals 10. So 10 minus 2. I will drop it here like it is. Okay, and now it's so easy. 10 minus 2 equals what? I will count after 2 to reach 10. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So they are 8. The answer here is 8. So the answer up is 8 also. Let's make sure. 14 minus 6 equals what? Close your hand and count after 6 to reach 14. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the answer is 8 and it's right. Your homework today is to complete page 69 and page 71. Thank you and goodbye.